In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use a PlayStation 3 controller on the Nintendo Switch with no adapter and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, using many different controllers from different manufacturers such as PlayStation on your Nintendo Switch is possible with the usage of different adapters, both wirelessly and through a cable. However, what if you try to use a PlayStation 3 controller on the Nintendo Switch with no adapter? First, if you try the controller on and you try to connect a cable to the Switch or even establish a wireless connection, through the wireless connection it isn't going to get picked up. You can go into the controller settings from the home screen, and in there you can see all the controllers currently being picked up by the Switch, but like I said, it isn't going to be available. And even though you can try using different cables to connect both devices, as soon as it is connected, there will be no reaction. Even though the device might get picked up, it is just going to be a random unknown device, and the inputs that you do on your PlayStation 3 controller are not going to get translated into the Switch. So even though you can tap the D-pad, move the joystick, press the buttons, the Nintendo Switch simply isn't going to understand those. So this is why you need an adapter. So to answer the question in the title of this video, unfortunately, it is impossible to use a PlayStation 3 controller on your Nintendo Switch with no adapter. If you must use a PlayStation 3 controller on your Switch, you are going to need an adapter. There are plenty of options, such as a USB dongle from 8-bit Do, which is one of the most populars in the world at the moment, but like I said, it is impossible to use it without an adapter. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that because the PlayStation 3 controller isn't manufactured by Nintendo, of course, the inputs are not going to get translated into a console. So this is why you need an adapter. It's the only way that the different console can read the inputs from the controller. I hope I was able to help you and answer any questions that you had about how to use a PlayStation 3 controller on the Nintendo Switch with no adapter. If this video cleared them up, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.